Hey guys, today we're gonna replace the cabin air filter. This is the part number, so you guys have it over there. The only tools we're gonna need is a blower. I like to use some air spray freshener and a screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is just undo these two, remove this for more comfortable. And here you need to locate 1, 2, 3, 4 pins, 4 levers. You pull 1, 2, then you use these two. You remove this, and here is the air filter. Look how dirty this thing is. Remember, these two holes to the right and the arrow facing the driver. We take the new one, but first just give it a little blow up. Now you take the new filter, you take some air freshener, apply some air freshener to it. Make sure it's a good quality air freshener, because if not, this thing can get mold here. Make sure it's a good quality air freshener. Now going back in, remember these two dots facing the co-pilot, the passenger, and the arrow facing the driver. We'll put this back on. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. There you go. There you go. Now they're tight. You just press this back in. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now there's all the way up. You're done. Look how dirty this thing is.